Moving on, demand for electrical equipment in East and Central Africa is projected to grow by double-digit figures annually, mainly driven by a growing manufacturing sector. This has prompted Tanelec Limited, a subsidiary of TransCentury PLC, to earmark $15 million for manufacturing of transformers, switchgears and metering units in a bid to impact and control the manufacturing and distribution.
The global electrical equipment market is expected to grow to $1.54 trillion this year, representing a compounded annual growth rate of 11.2%. The growth is mainly due to companies rearranging their operations and recovering from the COVID-19 pandemic, which caused operational challenges. To tackle the challenges faced in the market, Tanelec Limited, a transformer distribution company, has embarked on an expansion strategy seeking to increase the manufacturing and distribution of transformers, switchgears and metering units in East and Central Africa region. The expansion plan is hinged on increasing electricity quality and supply to consumers, leveraging on building infrastructural supplies.
As Tanelec, we've looked at the future. We have got our own 5-year strategy on how we are going to tackle and how we are going to address the needs that will be brought in by this great power that will come on board, a great generation capacity. Yeah, the problem will now be on how to distribute this power. Yeah, so it will be on the transmission, on the distribution, and on the final usage at the consumer end. That is where the focus will be.
Tanelec Limited has capacity to manufacture about 14,000 distribution transformers and repair up to 6,000 transformers annually. Reporting for Lunchtime News, I am Teresa Mutai.